8 reasons email lists are 361 times more valuable than social media. Okay, I'm not trying to bash social media. I know that this is a controversial title headline here. I want to provide you with my insights. My name is Charles Javen. I've been building online businesses for well over a decade. Got started in social media in its early phase, probably like one of the first sites here in the US, and have been using it. But I would say that when social media came out, I probably poured more of my time into it back then compared to now. But let's go ahead and talk about this because I know that some people use social media just 100% for their marketing purposes. But I want to provide you with a different insight that can help you build your business more. So let's talk about this empire state of your inbox. Social media is fun, but it's fleeting. Email is where you build lasting connection with your audience and create a foundation for financial success. Learn how to turn your email list into a powerful asset that generates income far beyond what social media can offer. Think about that. Like if you are on Facebook, IG, TikTok, or whatever platform you are in, yeah, there's a lot of people that you know, a lot of people that are friends, but the people that you actually go back and forth with on email, in most cases, I would think that most people would have a deeper relationship with those people. I'm not talking about spam. People that usually have a conversation through email are on a different level versus people that are like, let's say, acquaintances, people that you've never ever seen in your life, never even seen them in person or even in a video on social media doing DMs. It could be a very different relationship. Of course, vice versa, you could actually have a very strong relationship on social media. But I think email, especially for most, it has a very big difference in people's business. And so here's one of the big things. Social media platforms can change their rules on a whim, and they can even shut down your accounts, but your email list is yours. You own it like a contact database. You control the communication and build direct relationships with your subscribers. That's the main thing. You own your audience as far as your contact database goes within your email platform. And emails convert like crazy. Think of email as a direct line to people who want to hear from you. They're giving you permission to connect and share valuable information. This makes them much more likely to buy your products or services. And I do know that some people have social media accounts that can convert like crazy. But for the most part, you radiate a message and people can respond. And maybe a bunch of people that respond are people that have already purchased your product or service. But as far as connecting with people that don't know you or are potential customers, I think email is still the way to go. And algorithms, especially social media and search algorithms, can't touch your emails. Social media algorithms can bury your posts, making them invisible to your followers. Email delivers your message straight to the inbox, maximizing your reach and increasing your chance to turn a profit. So it's more consistent. If you have been on social media for years, you'll notice that your reach has changed over time. And for a lot, it's actually been getting less and less because of all the competition. But once you've captured an email, it doesn't matter if your competitor sends out 100,000 emails and you send out 1,000 emails. That is your audience, and the conversion rates are yours. And that's the big difference with social media. The more crowded it gets, typically it just becomes whether it's more spammy or less effective. And that's why people jump into new social media platforms. Email lets you share more than just quick updates. You can tell stories, offer in-depth advice, and build real connections with your audience. This fosters trust, encourages them to invest in your offerings. I think this is a very big difference. Like, of course, this can be done on DMs, but I would say that it's easier to search through emails. I could search through many, many, many years, even emails from over a decade ago, and get back to people. But on a DM, it's even hard for me to even find a message, a DM that I sent like a month ago. So it's not made for these long-term, deep relationship types of communications. And targeted emails means more sales. You segment your email list based on interests and behaviors. This allows you to send highly relevant offers to the right people and at the right time, boosting your income and strengthening your portfolio. And this is easier than segmenting on social media. It can be done, but it's not as easy. Email marketing, it's a smart investment. Email marketing is cost effective compared to other marketing channels. And for a small investment, that's a relatively small investment. You can reach thousands of potential customers and establish revenue streams that contribute to your financial freedom. And also, it's easy to automate all of this compared to social media. A lot of the social media websites don't like people using third party apps to automate, where email marketing, the big part of it is automation. And you could turn your subscribers into loyal buyers. Regular emails keep you top of mind and create buying habits. Nurture your list with valuable content and watch as your subscribers become repeat customers, helping you scale your success and maximize returns. And that's the thing, regular emails, it's very big difference compared to regular DMs. When people start to send me regular DMs, especially in the same kind of nature, it looks like spam to me and I just get annoyed. I don't want to read their messages because they're just trying to sell me something. Versus me opting into somebody's list, it's a different type of relationship. And there's a long-term value of emails. Social media trends come and go, but a well-maintained email list can generate income for years to come. It's a valuable asset that can help you cultivate financial growth and create lasting value. And I totally believe in this. You got to nurture your list, kind of like social media, doing regular posting, but with email, you're developing a deeper relationship. You're nurturing your list, and that list can help you for years to come. And if you are into building your own list and making sure that you're able to scale it and make some very good income, some high ticket commissions, I invite you to check out my solid income free PDF here. It's going to help you out. Just go ahead and learn how to generate the type of income that I earn online. Go to the PDF. It's the first link in my description, in my YouTube description. If you are watching this from an article or a blog post, just go ahead and check out the link near the video and you'll learn a lot more. This is Charles Draven. Thank you for watching this video from InfoSpike TV.